One more thing I want you to know about the quote section is the calculation of your pips. You can see that the price is moving. So as the price is rising, it's rising by points, and as it's going down by points. So your pip value is in this very fourth decimal place, okay? So like now this Euro USD is 1.1421. This tiny number here is called the pipette. If this number moves from 1.1421 to maybe 1.1425, it has moved up by 4 pips, okay? Then if it goes down to 1.1411, then it has moved down by 10 pips, okay? For JPY pairs, the pip value is in the second decimal place. So like here we're having 169.90. If this moves up to 169.97, it has moved up by 7 pips, and if it goes down to 169.80, it has moved down by 10 pips. All right, so that is how you calculate your pips.